Welcome back to Connected Tech Talks, and I decided that I hate my AirPod Pros, so I decided to get some normal AirPods. These do not have the wireless charging case, I do not think. They're just the normal first generation AirPods. Yeah, I decided I didn't like my AirPod Pros, so I just got these ones. Just kidding. These are for a family member, but they're letting me unbox them, and I was like, sure, why not? Even though I already have an AirPods unboxing on this channel of the normal and the AirPod Pros, I thought, sure, why not? I'll do another one just for the fun of it. Since I haven't posted a video in so long, I may as well get this in there. So we know the routine by now. I'm going to find the tab where there's no tab. Oh, right. The AirPods Pro box had a tab on it that I could pull. It looks like I'll have to get scissors or something for this. Hold on. Anyway, the 3D feel. Yes, I know my nails are too long. Get over it. All right. Designed in Apple by California. Designed by Apple in California. I wanted to check to see if these have stickers in them, but they don't. So it looks like the same package that came with the AirPods Pro I unboxed today. Yeah, just safety stuff and regulations and warranty, blah, 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 setup information. We don't need that. So I won't be setting up these AirPods because, like I said, they're not for me. So I don't want to pair them with my phone if they're not going to be used by me. But here they are. I still really love the normal AirPods. They're pretty good. I've had them for 2 years. They've served me pretty well. Now here's my old case versus the new one. I don't know if you can see, but the new one's a lot shinier and cleaner. Yep, they want a pair. Here's for reference the old ones versus my new. So earlier I wanted to see if this one had a lightning charger. So we can lift this up, and underneath there is a lightning charger in here, and it is taped to the bottom of here, or not taped, but attached. So I can slip these over here and put this back in here. All right, this is a normal USB to lightning with first generation AirPods. I hope my mother enjoys them. And that's that. As always, stay connected.